Let's do the we listen and we don't judge challenge again. No, sometimes I want to divorce you. We listen and we don't judge me. Where are you going? Man, I'm just. It's a game. It's a game. Why are you mad? Your turn. We listen but we don't judge.
Oh, we listen and we don't judge. Sometimes I wish the house was clean when I come home from work.
Dalay. Are you freaking sure? Excuse me?
We listen and we don't
I clean,
judge.
okay? I
We
clean.
listen and we don't judge.
Hello, because someone said to say everything because we're leaving.
We listen.
So I don't really clean.
We listen. Alrighty then.
Okay. We listen and we don't judge. Your joke is very annoying. I pretend that I understand and laugh, but I don't really understand and I don't get it.
What joke?
But I just smile because I don't want to hurt your feelings.
What joke?
Your joke, me, like the one you always told me. We listen and we don't judge. We listen
We listen
and we don't judge.
and we don't judge.
Okay.
Sometimes I pretend I'm not looking at other girls, but I am.
So Stephanie is real. Stephanie, better pick up this guy, Stephanie. Pick up this guy, Stephanie.
We listen and we don't judge.
Don't. Why, there's so many to say, but why are you looking at other girls? Keep on looking at Stephanie. Huh? Sana all.